This is beautiful. Oh, wow. This is the Oregon coastline. This is Agate Beach. Wow, the tide goes out so far.
It comes in very quickly.
I'll bet, yeah. So apparently, here on Agate Beach, you can find like precious jewels and gems and stuff. Look at how pretty, wow. We haven't seen any yet, but we'll be on the lookout. Anyways, if nothing else, it's a beautiful beach. I love how the pine trees, the trees come right down and meet the ocean. Look at you. I was about to come up and say, this crab has seen better days, and yet he's not dead. Babe, I think you should flip him over.
Okay.
Go ahead, save his life. Just flip him over. He's gonna get really pissed at you. There you go. You're welcome, little dude. Yeah.
As soon as we move, a seagull's going to come and get him.
Oh, well, we'll have to protect him from that.
In near the water.
Yeah, pick him up from behind. He'll pinch you. There you go, buddy. There you go. Yeah, you're
I
welcome.
think he's injured or something. Some of his legs don't seem to be operating as they're meant to.
Go. It's all right, little man. Just, take a breather. Yeah. I thought his legs can come off, and then they grow them back or something. He's eating.
Oh, good for him.
Yeah. Wait. We're here at a cheese factory. We're gonna experience the cheese, and what did you just say?
I just said that I don't know that I like tillamook cheese that much. It seems kind of rubbery.
Maybe you shouldn't say that in front of the people in the guest place.
Okay.
I don't know. Cheese is cheese. No, actually, we might have been better off with the blue heron, but you know what?
We can always go back.
We can always go back. That's a cow.
It is.
That's a big cow. That's a very big operation we got going on here.
A Guernsey? I don't know, maybe a Guernsey. Brown ones? A Guernsey? Guernsey cow. As opposed to a Friesian. You know anything about cows?
The brown chicken brown cow.
No.
That different?
They're Friesians and the brown and white ones are Guernsey.
And it depends on what kind of cow you have as to what kind of cheese you're gonna get.
Guided tour upstairs.
Whoever would have thought there'd be a cheese gift shop? Well, you know what? We should take a tour.
Self-guided, absolutely. Let's do it.
Well, you're good at this kind of thing.
Oh, this
Factory viewing.
Are
Oh,
you recording or something? Oh, right.
I am. Here's where it began, with this cow. Huh. It started in 1906. I like cheese. Ooh, cheese curds. We saw the football team, the Cheesemakers. I didn't think that was a real thing, but apparently it is. The Tillamook High School Cheesemakers.
What are we doing here, babe?
Oh,
You milking a
I'm
cow?
gonna milk the cow. I got 21 seconds to figure this thing out. So you hit the button, then you spray all the udders, get it nice and clean, and then you gotta clean it off like that. And because I'm an electrician consultant, I should be able to do this pretty easily.
Yeah, I did it.
Oh, I did it.
Bang
Just
on
enough
time.
Just enough time.
There you go.
Wait. Why would grass make cheese look orange?
I know, it sounds bizarre.
That doesn't make sense
the
at
higher
all.
milk fat, the higher the quality of the milk, they're more likely it goes a darker color.
How come you know this?
Because I was reading about it.
Oh. That's interesting. I know you're not a big fan of this cheese, but there's other kinds of cheese, and they also make,
Orange cheese.
well, they also make ice cream. I mean, ice cream. Can't hate ice cream. Nobody hates ice cream. They have a modern cheddar master. Oh. So there's your cheddar master machine here. And then it has the salt. Look at that down there. That is some big pieces of cheese. Wow. That would make you smile.
A lot of burgers with that.
And then you gotta press it, and then it's going into a machine. And that's what that person does all day long. Bless your heart, my friend. Oh, that must be, maybe that's a bad one.
Yeah, and then you'll see what chocolate.
I'll be darned. Oh, and then it goes in that machine, and it like vacuum packs it. Watch that. Boom, boom. Step that sucker down. And see, then the cheese goes in. And then the machine comes down and goes. And then it comes out perfectly vacuum packed. That's pretty cool. Here we are.
Anywhere from 60 days to 5 years.
So it takes it from the other side, where it was bagged,
Out of cold storage.
out of cold storage, goes in there as aged, and then this machine here debags it, and then it goes back through being raw, and then down over there,
Here, they're cutting it into
blocks.
the final product size.
Right, so that's the cutter. That's a lot of cheese. There.
So here it's got the block of cheese,
Yeah.
and it pushes it through the cutter, which you'll see in a moment.
And so that's where they're getting rid of like all the
Moving
waste
it over
size.
that way, here goes the next one up. Lining it up,
I'm line up.
pushing it through. Boom. Take off the scrag ends, so it's got nice flat edges over it.
Or maybe they make that for like shredded cheese,
Probably.
the scraggy ends.
And
then they
it gets
all come
cut.
through
So
over
it's now
here.
cut in two different directions, and it's this tiny size box now.
It's like a little choo-choo train. It's the cheddar choo-choo.
It is. What's in there goes
It's gonna
through-
go. Add it? How would you add it? So they're checking the scale, putting it there, straighten it out. There you go. Uh-oh. Double the trouble. Oh, move it over. There you go. Quality control. And then over there, we're going to go see the octopus, the patching station. So this lady down here is, the bag is filled with air,
I think those are what she's
like that.
doing there.
Oh, maybe.
And that's
Yeah.
how the bag opens up right away, and then she just slides the cheese right into the
She
bag,
passes it over to that one.
and then passes it
She's
over,
wearing them, yeah.
and it gets vacuum packed down. That's pretty cool. So each day they do a different cheese. Today they're doing cheddar, but they can also do Monterey Jack. They could be doing pepper jack, one of my personal favorites. That's the blue octopus. Look at that baby go. Hoo-wee. So he
That
is,
quite something. So what is it? So
it's heat shrinking.
Oh, it's coming in on the far side.
Yeah, putting it through the machine, heat shrinking it down, and then spitting it out on the other side.
Vacuum.
Vacuum packing, and then that little wand over there moves it.
Probably not heat shrink because you've melted cheese.
Well, it says they're heat shrink tunnel. That's what I was saying.
Oh, that would probably be...
See right there, it says heat shrink tunnel.
If I could read, I would have said that. I would have seen that.
You're just a dude. That guy, that's cool. That's the blue octopus right there. And he swivels and then he spins the machine over here, and his little partner right there throws the cheese out onto the conveyor belt, which rolls down that way, goes in and heat shrinks it, and then that guy down there, he does quality control. His job is very important. Right there, that is Mr. Quality Control right there. And then that's a metal detector, which is always important. Uh-oh. Oh, he found one. He found one that wasn't so good. He need to seal it again.
I'll put it back anyway.
Yeah. He did some work to it. That's all right. Wow. Cool, wasn't it?
That was interesting. Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Our production is almost that big. It's gonna be, now that you're retired. I like samples.
Yeah, I'm going to go to a sample.
All right, well, let's do it. So, this is where we can, and it smells like cheese. And we can get some samples here. Ooh. I'm going to take one of those.
I'm going to take a sharp white.
And there's one of these. And I'm going to take one of these.
Goodness.
And grab me some cheese curds. Grab cheese curds here. Here, gotta taste it. All right. So where does a cheese curd? What's a cheese curd?
It's very early in the process.
Yeah?
Before it's been salted and aged, it's a curd.
This is the gift shop, because every place has got to have a gift shop. Look, ice cream bowls. Ice cream.
How much did you miss?
I think the stuff about the squeaky cheese, but that's okay. We got ice cream. That doesn't look so good. That's a little, you know.
Covered in ice?
Yeah. Elevate your cheese board.
Get some good ideas for
No.
other styles.
Yeah. It's a 2020 extra sharp.
Right.
This looks very thin. Oh, it's in slices or something.
Oh, it is?
Looks like it. Look at that.
They have the regular number there.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, I mean,
What did you find?
They have smoked cheddar.
Yeah?
I've never seen this. Spicy habanero jack.
Oh, I like habanero. I like spicy. Wow, they do have a lot of flavors that you would never see. Garlic chili cheddar, smoked black and white pepper, hickory smoked, English style sweet cheddar. Was that as bad as you thought it was going to be?
No, it was interesting. It was good. I've never seen a cheese making plant before.
I hadn't either. And we got some stuff.
We did. We bought some stuff.
We got some stuff. Yeah. Not super impressed, are you?
It means nothing to me, to be honest. Haven't seen the movie. Don't recognise the house from anything.
All right, well. This guy is really cool. He bought the home because he was a huge fan of the movie. And then that was it. And then his best friend apparently bought the house just across the way over there next door. So they live next to each other. I think he's from Pittsburgh. But he bought the book, or bought the house because he was a big fan. So good for you. Thanks for keeping it and sharing.